In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this O2 sensor on this Jeep Cherokee. For starters, we're going to disconnect it. And up here, you can see where it connects. Connects up here. Get you some better light. There's a little tab up here. So what you do is you push up on this tab right here, and then you pull back on the connector. Like that. It comes right off. And you pull it down like so. Alright, now we got this disconnected. This is a 22 millimeter. But it's so rusted in there, I sprayed it with some PB Blaster. I'm just going to jump right to the pipe wrench. The O2 sensor's still good, believe it or not. So we're going to try our best to save it. Alright, once you get a nice bite on it, try to break her free. They do have sockets for this, special O2 sockets, sensor sockets, but when they're rusted on like this, they don't always work. When worst comes to worst, use heat. Now you get it nice and hot, just turn it off. Careful not to burn yourself. And that's how you get out an O2 sensor. So if you can save it, great. If you're just replacing it, that's another way to get it out. So I hope you found this video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to comment below.